What's going on, Two Bros family? As you can see here, I'm opening up a package. It is the last fit LED bulbs for a 2014 Honda Accord. We're going to be doing an LED headlight conversion. Basically, man, these are one of my favorite LED lights to use. Get them off of eBay. I'll leave the link down below. Let's get right into it. Now, so basically for the low beam LED replacement, all you have to do is twist the bulb, the old bulb, to the left, and the bulb will automatically spin and it'll come off. Then you would obviously disconnect the plug, connect the new plug to the new LED bulb, put it in its respective place, and you're gonna twist to the right. You're gonna twist to the right. You're gonna go to the passenger side and you're gonna repeat the process. Now guys, sometimes, you know, the headlights will have a groove in there where the LED bulb is gonna go, so you just have to make sure you put it in place, and once again you loosen it to the left and you tighten it to the right. Once it clicks, you're good to go. Disconnect it and connect it. Now what I ended up doing was I took the LEDs, the old LEDs from the top, and I put them on the fog lights. I wanted to put them down on the fog lights. So first things first, you gotta lift the car. Never under any circumstances get under the car without putting the jack stand up after jacking the car up, because obviously if the jack fails and malfunctions, it can fall on you. What I wanted to do was I wanted to remove the undercarriage plastic like cover with removing those clips, and I wanted to reach the fog light from the bottom and just kind of replace the bulb without having to remove the bumper. So I went ahead and I started removing the clips, and once I started removing the clip, I realized that I couldn't get to the fog lights to replace them from the bottom, because you have the intake box, you have a bunch of stuff that's kind of in the way. So I ended up trying until I gave up and realized, you know what, this is not gonna work. I kept looking, and just kind of, you know what, I'm gonna have to go from the top, remove the front bumper off to be able to replace those LED bulbs. So I ended up removing the top clips there on the bumper, on the where the hood latch is, and then I ended up removing the side bolts that hold the bumper onto the side. I ended up pulling the bumper off slowly and carefully without trying to break any clips, and I ended up just slowly taking my time until I was finally able to put the LED bulbs in and replace them. The job was supposed to be, a 30-minute job, but guys, you know how it goes. A 30-minute job turns into 40 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. So here I am putting back the cover there for the front bumper on the hood latch there, and just putting the clips, making sure everything's good. Now you can see that everything's working. All the LEDs are on. So yeah guys, real short, simple video, but just kind of wanted to break down how this works. Anyways, man, thank you guys for checking out the videos, showing love. Like, share, subscribe. Let's get it, man. Two Bros family, we're growing, man. Once we reach 500 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Alrighty guys, take care. Oh yeah guys, this is good right here. We got the new lights on and nice and bright. Oh gang.